grass. All of this is gonna be my bedding for the night. Warm, dry, safe and secure. Stone hand blade. It is me and this stone hand blade getting everything done. That's why the poncho comes in handy. Now you might be thinking, you could probably pull it up with your hands. The amount that I'm gonna need, I want to avoid little cuts on my hands, so the knife, the hand blade is giving me the advantage. Easy peasy. Good thing is it's nice and long. It's going to cover some area. Got a little cut, just like a paper cut. When I was saying don't pull, hold, and then cut, I did the opposite. But I have a remedy. When I pulled and it sliced me, something like this can definitely run into a problem. Here is my remedy. You want to find an aspen tree. And the aspen bark, the white bark, when you scrape up or down on it, a little bit of white powder's gonna come off. Just like that right there. You put that on your cut, it's going to help stop the bleeding. Not hurting the tree. Just like that, right on the cut. Once I have it on there, I just apply hard pressure and the bleeding will stop. A wound like this, the best thing to do is just apply pressure. Hard, steady pressure. If I had something like a deep puncture wound or big old lacerations, different type of story, it's going to be pressure as well as some sort of wrap on it. But this should work. Now unfortunately, this cut is right on an area where I'm going to be working my hands, so I might have to apply this maybe more than once, but the aspen bark is clean. It helps stop the bleeding, and it acts just like the super glue. Just make sure you got no grass in there. All right, let's get back to it.